Hello, today we are going to solve one comprehension type question from UGC NET Paper 1. First we read this passage. There is a common thread running through the unraveling of India's statistical system. A modern economy with a sound institutions is characterized by timely dissemination of credible data. A long-term policy needs an empirical basis and issues of veracity of data will influence investment decisions. In a country with the largest population of youth, data on national development, especially core sectors like agriculture, industry, health, education, and employment, will be critical. Here comes the role of National Statistical Commission, a body created to establish standards. Questioning the data veracity is a global phenomenon. The official narrative is always questioned by the people on the other side of the fence. Dissemination of economic data is essential to reach out to the public who live their reality. Lack of data will adversely impact the quality of national policies. India must start strengthening institutions such as Central Statistical Commission. These institutions must be granted autonomy and insulated from external interference. Enhanced operational autonomy will make their work credible. An indicator of operational autonomy is their ability to stick to a dissemination calendar regardless of what the data indicates. Now come to the question. In this question, we are asked that what does the passage ultimately suggest to National Statistical Commission? Is it restricting policy decisions or critically examining date of veracity or stick to a calendar of data dissemination or support development in core sectors? As we can see in these last lines that an indicator of operational autonomy is their ability to stick to a dissemination calendar regardless of what the data indicates. Therefore, the correct answer is the option C. As given in the last line of passage, National Statistical Commission should stick to a calendar of data dissemination. Okay, therefore we can say that C is correct. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.